Hi everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Master House 24. I am Muhammad Mukhtar Hussain, English teacher Muhammad Ali Academy. Hi my dear lovely student. Today's lesson rules of passage narration exercise কিভাবে solve করব for SSC and SSC final exam 2024. In this video, you will learn how to change WH question sentence rules and how to change assertive sentence rules and exercise for passage narration. How to change conjunction and how to change person tense for passage narration exercise. So get start. Takrim said to Sravon, when does your final exam commence? It comments on 15 March, he said. সে বলল your examination is knocking at the door and you don't have enough time, said Takrim. You are right, said Takrim. তুমি ঠিক বলছো, তাকরিম বলল। And I am learning my lesson with profound attention. এবং আমি আমার পাঠ গভীর মনোযোগ দিয়ে শিখছি। So let us start to change direct to indirect for any competitive exam. Takrim asked Sravon when his final examination commenced. He replied that it commenced on the 15 March. Takrim told that his examination was knocking at the door and he had a lot of time. Sravon told that he was right and added that he was learning his lesson with a profound attention. ভিডিওটা দেখে কেমন লাগলো, লাইক, শেয়ার, সাবস্ক্রাইব টু গেট নিউ ভিডিও রেগুলারলি ইন মোবাইল, ল্যাপটপ, কম্পিউটার, etc. Many thanks to watch full video. Next time coming soon with new video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.